morning all. How are you all? I hope all are fine. How is the weather today? Is it cold? Feeling good? You are staying safe at home? Okay. We have already finished the 2 chapters in this unit. Have you all learned these chapters thoroughly? All of you must allow and this thoroughly because the next in further classes you will be having the continuation of these portions. If you study these portions thoroughly, it will make you easy and it will be comfortable for you to learn the further of the next portion thoroughly. So you must learn these topics thoroughly which can be used for your future classes. So today now let's move on to the new chapter. So let's move on. All of you take out your book. We will study new lesson. Chapter 4. Chapter 4. More on MS PowerPoint 2010. More on MS PowerPoint 2010. All of you know about PowerPoint. Okay. Learning about the more features of Microsoft PowerPoint. Then, hello friends. You know very well PowerPoint in a multimedia presentation you using which you can create attractive and effective presentations. You can also create various presentation materials like hangout, notes, etc. Then today's topic, creating a design templates. Creating a design template. Templates are the default themes and text arrangements that are already designed in a PowerPoint. Templates are the default themes and text arrangements that are already designed in PowerPoint. You can simply select a template, just add text or video or audio on it, and your presentation is ready. See this design tab. See this. These all are the different templates. Next, MS PowerPoint 2010 has various design templates as shown, which can be used while preparing presentation. But if you do not want to use these templates but create templates for future use, first click on the File tab. Steps to save a template. First step, click on the File tab. Second step, click on Save As to open the Save As dialog box. See, Save As to open the Save As dialog box. Third step, enter a name for the file. Enter the name for the file. Next, fifth step, click and select PowerPoint template. Click and select the PowerPoint template. Then click on Save. Last step, click on Save. Applying slide transition. Next topic, applying slide transition. A slide transition is the way each slide arrives on the screen. It adds movement to your slides as you move from one slide to another. A slide transition is the way each slide arrives on the screen. It adds movement to your slides as you move from one slide to another. You can apply only one transition per slide. See this step. Step 1. Select the slide on which transition is to be applied. Select the slide on which transition is to be applied. Click on the transition tab. Click on the transition tab. Then select a transition from the transition to this slide group. See this transition to this slide. These all are the transition. See this. Next, click on effect option to add effect to selected transition. Next, add sound to the transition by clicking on the sound drop down list. Next, change the duration of the transition. See this transition speed. Fast, medium, slow. Then transition sound. See this transition sound. Next, click on preview to view the effect of the transition. Click on the preview to view the preview. See. Next, transition to this slide group. Click on the more drop down arrow of this group to find various transition options. Some of these are fade, push, wipe, blinds and clock. Next, see these wipes. These all are the wipes. Next, push and cover. Next, blind and fade. Blinds and fades. These all are the fades. Then, random. Next, effect option. For each transition option, various effects are available. These effects options vary depending on the transition selected. For each transition option, various effects are available. These effects options vary depending on the transition selected. Show effect option for some transition. Next, sound. You can also add sound to the slide transition. Open the sound drop down list to choose a sound from various options. You can also add sound to the slide transition. Open the sound drop down list to choose a sound from various options. See this transition sound. Arrow, boom, breeze, camera, chime, click, coin, drum roll, hammer, laser, push. These are the sounds. You can also add your own sound file by selecting the other sound option from the list. Other sound options. See this other sound options. Next, duration. You can increase or decrease the speed of your slide transition by entering time in the duration field. See this? Transition speed. Transition speed slow, medium and fast. Next, applying animation. Applying animation. Adding transition to slides make the arrival of the slide attractive. However, it does not make the text or objects on the slide look attractive. Look attractive. For this, you need to add animation to the slides. Animation adds visual effects to the text and objects of a slide. For example, see this. Select the item you want to animate. Select the item you want to animate. Select this. Next, click on the animation tab. Click on the animation tab. Next, choose an animation from the animation group. Choose the animation from the animation group. Click on this animation. Next, click and select effect option to add effect to your animation. See this? Add effects. Entrance, exit, motion path. See this? Down, left, right, up, draw custom path. Then entrance, blind box, diamond. Click diamond sheet. See this? Next, animation group. There are various animation options that can be seen on clicking the more drop down arrow of the animation group. Some of the animations are fly in, shape, spin, grow and bounce. Next, effect options. For each animation options, you can select various effects. These effects options vary depending on the animation selector. Next, timing group. You can also decide the start time and duration of the object animation. You can also decide the start time and duration of the object animation. The start drop-down list has the following option. On click animation start. When you click the mouse with previous, both the previous and next animation effect start at the same time. See this? Speed. Very slow, slow, medium, fast, very fast. Then click very slow. Next, after previous, the animation effect start only after the previous animation effect finishes. Did you understand what we are learned today? I think all of you are understood. What we are learned in the teacher have to early explain to each and everything. If you have any doubts and queries, you could just contact your computer miss through WhatsApp or Google Meet. The worksheet given by me should be written in your notebook neatly. So, now let's write the question answers as well as the fill in the blanks. So, please take out your notebook. I will just dictating the questions and fill in the blanks. Please write it down your notebook. Answer these questions. What are the templates? What are they used? Then fill in the blanks. First question. You can add dash to a presentation in your own voice. you can add dash to a presentation in your own voice. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.